IObit Advanced SystemCare review. Is it worth it? So hello everyone, so in today's video I will do a review on IObit Advanced SystemCare and if it's worth it. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below and where you'll get a discount right here in IObit if you're planning to buy the pro version of IObit SystemCare. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So it says right here, when this person right here did a review on IObit Advanced SystemCare, so the reviewer said that after thoroughly testing IObit Advanced SystemCare, I can say it's an extensive suite of tools for PC optimization and security. So these are the key takeaways right here from IObit Advanced SystemCare. So the software offers a wide range of features. So these features include basic system cleaning to advanced privacy protection tools. It also has a good or well-designed user interface which is easy to navigate, which is also suitable for less tech-savvy users. Next is the Care Scan feature is particularly impressive, so offering a one-click solution to clean up and optimize your system. So the antivirus component, which is also powered by Bitdefender's engine. So Bitdefender is a really good antivirus nowadays, and it provides solid real-time protection against malware. And then some features like the software updater and startup optimizer can be real time savers, and then the impact on the system resources during full scans is higher than average, which might be a concern for users with older PCs. So overall, I would recommend IObit Advanced SystemCare for users who want a comprehensive solution for both system organization or optimization and security. It's particularly well suited for those who prefer an all-in-one tool rather than managing multiple separate programs. So yeah, so these are the prices right here for IObit Advanced SystemCare 18 Pro. So if you want to avail for these discounted prices right here, make sure to click on the link in the description below to have these special discounted prices. So we have three prices right here. So first is we have this first one right here, which is for one PC. So the price is $16.77 now, and the discounted so this is the discounted price, and the original price was $29.99. Next is we have another standard plan right here, which you will get 65% off discount. So the original price is $59.98, and then the price now is $19.99. And then lastly, so you have the 1 year for 3 PCs right here. So in this one, you'll get 75% off. So in here, the regular price is $89.97, and then the discounted price is $21.99. So this one is a really good deal since it also supports 3 PCs right here. So again, if you want to get these special discounts right here, make sure to click on the link in the description below to get these special discounts. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, a review on IObit Advanced SystemCare. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.